I'm in staff right now. I'm making my breakfast. My class starts at 10 a.m. Just gonna make it short. Na ay time mag-explain akong prof. I'm having kuan, kani, pork, egg, and rice, and juice. Late mag-arrive ang prof, and I'm a slow eater. Hi guys! I'm on my way to my ethics class, and tibay, wala mo kayo apply mag-vlogger, eh. Gitry lang siya na ko nito. Wala kayo lingon. I don't wanna explain kung ano gasaan. Hi! Classmate ko siya sa... Hi, I'm late. Gani, alam mo na mag-inform ko. Diba 7 auditorium? So, may share ang projector diri ay. Ani jud ni siya perminti like wala ko kasabot nga nung diri na room ing ana siya maglabas. Pero sa pikas kay wala. Wala pa si Stephanie. Hi Stephanie! Kanuben! Abot na siya!
I'm still sad about my life.
Bakit? Uy, ang bayong! What it's like to be an STA?
Kapoy, maka-drain og energy. At the same time, okay lang kay at least na ako nag-gain na experience.
Ibutang ni mo na sa imong resume.
Yeah.
Resume.
Resume.
Ingon ni Jud si sir kay sige siya kalit.
Okay na lang mag ano yung malay kaysa kung ka ng prof na dili mo ingon na mo absent siya.
Nagpatudlo ko unsaon mag-happy gas. We're writing this pamaskong handog para kay
Sunod.
Basig di ay this year sir.
Kung ibutan diri kay mo.
Kay iPhone 17.
Kung ibutan diri mo.
Okay, so attendance. So tomorrow is activity 1.
Class dismiss. Nahulog diskuan. Bye girl.
Alright.
I look so bulky. My God, wala yung mag-abot o pangasa. I'm supposed to buy a pen, pero wala. Kaya wala ko makita na dong A na pen, kanya 0.5. Now, nakita isa, pero 0.4 siya. And I don't use that pen. Karoon lang ko nakalaag after the long weekend. So, I'm here in Gmall having my lunch. My class starts at 1:30 and it's still 11:57. I still have time to laroy-laroy. Mag-picture like my friend. It's the size of my head. Actually, napaka need studyhan kay nadyo kay feeling na ako'y piliun ni sir para mag-present sa amuang kuan 70s of marketing. Kay the last time na nag-track ko sa drive, ako lang yung nag-pass og PPT. Oh my God. the window kay grabe katugnaw and then I forgot to bring jacket. Ah, naka-open na ng window pero tugnaw, Japon ka ayo. Ah! Going to my next class of Licon. Now I'm gonna face Attorney Rock. Here was actually our defense. It's a surprise defense. That's the first time I experienced a surprise defense in our 70s of marketing. Good thing though, I was prepared and able to answer the questions confidently. Even though yung grammar na ko, kaya wala na nagkadimao, pero that's totally fine. As long as you show confidence and you're eager to have that goal na ma-success ang business, that's totally fine. So far, wala pa si attorney and I'm just here. I don't have Ghana to study because I need coffee for me to function. Probably, I don't know, I'll listen music na lang. Ano na lang kung intro? A day in my life? A day in my life? A day in my life. That's such. A day in my life as a business economics student. Second year edition na earring. A day in my life. Second year business economics student. Ereg edition na shifty. Grabe kahalimuot, oy.